How to fix network path was not found error code 0x80070035 error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your network path was not found with an error code 0x80070035. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our search bar, and from here we'll go ahead and search for services. Once you find the services, you need to click on it to open. From here, you can select any of the services over here, and then you need to click on T. Now, as you can see, TCP IP Net BIOS Helper, you need to simply go ahead and click on that. If the startup type is set to manual, you need to simply go ahead and click on automatic and make sure that the service status is running. Once you do that, you need to click on OK, and now we need to simply close the services. Now we need to simply go ahead and go to our start option over here, and here in the search you need to go ahead and search for ncpa.cpl. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and click on open. And now here you can find your adapter. Simply go ahead and double click on that, and from here you can see an option that says properties. Go ahead and click on properties. From here, you need to go ahead and tick on Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4, and once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on Properties. From here, you need to go ahead and click on Advanced, and here you need to click on WINS. Here you need to go ahead and click on Enable NET-BIOS over TCP/IP, and once you do that, you need to click on OK, and this will help you resolve the error. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.